Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Friends, what I'm showing now is a TV unit and it's completely customized as per the client's requirement. In fact, he has given us a paper drawing with a simple hand drawing, and we have crafted the unit to the actual work that you see here. And this is what we are good at. Our artisans who make everything by hand, because we are in handwork, can convert your hand drawing, something you have drawn on paper, to a reality like this. And if you talk about the sizes, this is 10 feet left to right, front to back 2 feet, and the height is 18 inches, 1.5 feet. So 120 inches, 24 inches, and 18 inches height. Antique gold paint and a brown shading that you see on the top. 100% customized as per the client's liking. This one is going to Malaysia. The front covers on the panels, on the drawer panels, is according to the client's requirement again, the tufting you see. And for the same unit, we have a smaller unit that is sitting at that side, is 5.5 feet. The depth is 18 and the height is 18 again. Both are different sizes, same design with the curves on the sides. And the beautiful work that you see is the handwork that we have been doing. About the space that we have in this, we have got two panels. One panel here, this would get a glass inside, two panels, and two drawers like this. This is as per the client's requirement. He has drawn on the piece of paper and let us know how big the sizes he want and how it is to be done. Accordingly, we have made it. And the top tufting on the panel is as per the choice part. The color is also, the fabric is also sent by the client himself. Similarly, the other one has got two drawers and a middle panel that would require a glass in the middle. If you want this open or you want a shelf in the middle, that can be provided. So these adjustments can be done as per your choice. Customization is the most difficult thing because we have to understand the requirement of the client completely. And then giving out the product finally like this is a task. And this is what we are doing for the past 38 years almost and delivering everywhere across the globe. This one, as I mentioned, is going to Malaysia. The size, now I talk about the size itself, how the TV unit works. The width is as per your requirement because these days the TVs, the LEDs in fact are very slim. If you are putting it on the stand, it's not occupying a lot of space. And if you are hanging on the wall, then again the space doesn't matter. So the width is as per your requirement and your choice. It could be 10 inches, 15 inches, 20 inches or wider, completely your choice. The major part is the left to right size. Now, left to right size should be bigger, a little bigger than the actual TV unit because a smaller unit looks a little odd. So when you have a little bigger unit, it gives the look of that mirror frame with a dressing where you have a big console and the mirror frame on the top, something like this. So if you have a TV left to right 48 inches, we can go for around 52 or 54 inches wide. That would look good. Accordingly, you can let us know what size you require. Now about the height. If you are putting a TV on this unit, then the height of this could be around 24 inches high. That is again your choice, but that's an optimum size. But when you are hanging it in the wall, it doesn't matter what height you want. So at the eye level, wherever you want to place the TV, you can place it and then you can measure it how much distance you want. Accordingly, we can make this one. The optimum height for the TV when you are sitting across it is the eye level to the center of the TV, and that's again how it's done. The color part, the size part, the designing, everything is as per your choice. If you want some other color, we can make it. The curves on the side gives it the required look, the luxury look that we always talk about. And the different shading, the triple shading effect that it has with the golden, the antique and the top brown shading gives it a different look than the regular furniture. If you like something like this, you can let us know and we can make it for you and deliver anywhere you want. This is going to Malaysia. If you want in India, or you want in US or Australia or Germany, any part of Europe or Middle East, anywhere, let us know. We'll make it and deliver for you. Hope you like this. Please let us know how we are doing. A few comments of yours. Thank you so much.